is up, my YouTube friends? Hope you're doing well. Hope you had a good week, good weekend. This is a reminder video for questions from the truck, and a video after this. And first I want to say what's up to my nephew Jack. Jack's been watching my videos and he thinks it's cool Uncle Jer's on YouTube. So hey buddy. So how the show works is you guys ask your model railroad related, woodworking related questions in the comments below, and I try to get you answers from either you, the viewer, or myself on questions from the truck on Sundays. So put your questions below, and I'll try to get you some help. And this video that's going to follow is from Saturday in our little steam trip. I called it Steam Saturday because we went to 3 different steam related railroads to started the day off and Steam the History, and which is Steam in the History, which is now Northern Central Railway. And then we went over to Williams Grove. They were running their little steam engine. They don't run it much, and they were out. And then we finished the day off at Stroudsburg. And in between heading to Stroudsburg, we went over through Harrisburg, went to J Tower. J Tower was closed. And then we cruised over to Rockville Bridge and got a little shot of Enola Yard at the River Road Bridge, which is a pretty cool rail fanning bridge. There's a parking lot before the bridge. The road really isn't that traveled, so traffic isn't bad. You see both sides of the yard. You're kind of looking into the yard, into Enola, and towards the bridge and all the track that they have going on there. I don't know what's going on there. It's pretty cool though. And the bridge is nice because it has cutouts in the fence that you can shoot video or photos from. And like I said, there's a parking lot and it's not too busy, but it's cool. Hey, there's not much video there, and the reason why is because I shot so much video Saturday, I ran out of room on my phone. I never had that happen, but I shot a ton of video, some of which you've seen, and if you haven't, go check out my Steam in the History video. And I don't know when I'm going to put my Stroudsburg video up. It'll probably be, I don't know, Friday or something of this week. Hey, enjoy this video. Take care. Be blessed. Be well. See it. This is Enola Yard, Harrisburg, PA. We're going to go over to Rockville Bridge soon. Definitely a cool spot. So I think these 2 tracks here go over to Rockville Bridge, and the tracks over there, I don't know exactly where they go, but they go somewhere, maybe to Port Road, Maryland, and that way south. I really don't know. Buffalo is around Buffalo line. I really don't know this area, so I'm not going to guess. Maybe somebody else can pop in and say. So this is the other side.